this question is about motion and velocity time graphs. So we've got two cars, P and Q, starting from the same point and traveling in the same direction. And we're asked how far apart are they by the end of the journey. And actually, because they're starting at the same point and traveling in the same direction, all I've got to do is to work out how far each of them has traveled and then find the difference. So I can find out how far Q has traveled because I just find the area under that line, which is a triangle. So it's 40 multiplied by 8, which would give me the area of the rectangle, but it's only half of the rectangle because it's a triangle. So I divide by 2 and I get 160 meters. And then the displacement of P, I can split this. The easiest thing to do is split into two shapes. You can do it with trapezium rule if you wish, but I think it's going to be easier to split into two shapes. So we've got from 1 to 3 seconds, it goes from 0 to 20 meters per second. So 20 meters per second multiplied by 2, but divide by 2 because that little shape is a triangle, and we end up with 40 divided by 2, which is 20 meters. But then there's the second part to P is the bit where it's moving at a constant speed. So that is its speed multiplied by the time it travels at that speed. So it's 20. And then just checking the scale. So we're going from 3 seconds to 8 seconds. That's a 5-second difference. That's another 100 meters. So P travels 20 meters whilst accelerating, then 100 meters at a steady speed. And that whole thing is reached at the end of the 8 seconds. So that's 120 meters. And then at the end of 8 seconds, Q is at 160 meters. So the difference is 40 meters.